Am I live? Hello? Am I here? Am I live? Is the music too loud this time? The music seems kind of loud. Here we go. Hello! Hi, can you hear me? Can I be heard? Yo, Fairlii. Banana. Hi. Hi, I'll be right back. I gotta grab my coffee. I'm so unprepared for my own stream. Freddy Fazbear? Baby Fazbear. Let me throw this away while I'm here as well. Okie dokie, okie dokie. Ooh! I'm back. I'm back. Hello. I wonder what we're gonna do today. Jelly World. I was gonna say Jelly Fields. Jelly World stuff. We're gonna continue on. Yes, Jelly World is actually returning. Oh! From the remnants. Hi Beerst. Hi Bada Gaming. Hi Hoo Ha. Hi CB. Hi Pixel Warp. Hi Hoverstruck. Hi Subspace. Hi Layray. Hi Ethan. Who else is up in here? How's Fairlii today? I'm alright. Alright, yeah, 3-day live streak. I actually took a break. I did it on Monday, Wednesday, and now today, Thursday. But 3 days this week. I have streamed. But we're on a 2-day streak of Jelly World. Which is really cool. But yeah, I'm doing okay. My main job, Game Grove, the YouTube channel, I have a big ol' extravaganza I'm doing there, so I have a ton of work to do. So the reason why I wasn't as prepared for the stream was because let's see, I woke up, I took a shower, and then I did a bunch of chores, kitty litter, dishes, cleaning, and then since then I've been recording all of the Minecraft mobs. I'm doing a video on my main channel where I am going to see if I can fight any of the mobs in Minecraft in real life. And so I have to record footage for all of them, and there's 73 of them. So I have to record all that. I have to record all the biomes in Minecraft. There's a lot of recording and pre-planning and setup I have to do for that stuff. So that's why I was late. I was literally recording the Ender Dragon. No, we're not doing Jelly Fields. We're doing Jelly World. Today was my last day of college. Whoa! That'll be nice to have a little break. The Ender Dragon can destroy you. Yeah, that's what I don't know if I just said it or not, but I was recording the Ender Dragon. And it's annoying to follow that thing around. Hi. Matem lol. What you do if your jelly isn't worlding? You would beat the Ender Dragon in real life? If it was real? Ain't no way. Will Jelly Jam return? Possibly. The reason why Jelly Jam and me playing viewers' games stopped is it's a lot of setup to do those kinds of things. And also, I want to get to everyone's stuff, but some people just don't follow the instructions properly, and then they just send me like a suspicious link in Discord, and they're like, hey, play my game. Or they email me a random link, and I'm like, no, you have to like go through, like when we did the Jelly Jam, you had to upload the game to itch, opt into the Jelly Jam, and then I'd play your game. And there's like 10 people that were just DMing me and emailing me things. And I try and talk to everyone and give everybody like time. Obviously, like some of those people, they literally made these whole games and they were never played because I'm not going to download some random stranger's game through Discord. So I don't do those as much anymore because I feel bad. Oh, you mean the jelly jam as in the item? No. I'm not gonna do it. I think I already said that. The jelly jam was just like an issue. When are you gonna give the player animations? The player has animations. It's just not in. It's not in here yet. I use Scratch. If I did a Jelly Jam, Scratch games would be fine. Because that's on the Scratch website. So. I do want to make actual, like, jam in the game. I want you to be able to make jam. So let's go over what we did yesterday. Yesterday I did a lot of talking. But we have these crops and like this grass, and you can wait, what? We got an error. What? Wasn't this just working yesterday? You can export Scratch games. It's probably easier to just play it on the website or whatever. The jellies are going to drop items in this version of the game, by the way. Let's talk about jellies for a minute while I figure out what's going on with this thingy, and while we wait for people to show up. So. The way that I want jellies to work. Okay, so drop interaction .world crop. Sorry, I want to figure out what's going on. Oh, wait a minute. I know what this is. The way that I want jellies to work is I'm trying to talk and do this at the same time, and I really can't. So we need a drop item interaction. There we go. And we need the position to be here. It is a hold, and it's gonna drop this amount of 1. That should work now. The jellies will be out in the wild. And you will need to use your love spell to tame the jellies. Oh yeah, I should probably post that I'm live to the Discord server. Let me do that. You'll use your love spell to tame the jellies. It'll be kind of like a battle, I guess. Hi, I'm live making Jelly World. Come watch. What kind of emote should I put? I'll put a clover. And I'll put a jelly. And I'll put king jelly. There you go. I added everyone. Now nobody can miss it. So I call it the love spell, but it's called the friendship heart. You probably could have seen it in older videos. Basically, what it does is you have your character here. And your character will shoot out a little heart and it'll hit the jelly. And jellies have, I'm going to say there's 2 different types of jellies. Well, let's say there's 3. Okay, there's 3 different types of jellies. There are passive, scared, and aggressive jellies. And depending on the type of jelly is how they will react when they're hit with the love spell. The normal jelly, the green jelly that we all know and love, when you hit it with the friendship spell, it doesn't care. It's going to let you tame it. It wants to be your friend. But there could be a jelly like the Sprintort that's a scared type. When you hit it with the friendship, it's going to try and run away. And there will be these little mounds of dirt. I can actually show you, I think. I think I have it somewhere in here. Let's see. I don't know where. I don't know what the organization of the project used to be. Yeah, right here. This is like lore that nobody really knows, because I haven't really put it in any of my games. But jellies live in burrows. Jellies that are the scared type, they'll try and run away from you, and they'll have like a timer basically. If they run away for too long, they'll fade away and you've lost them. However, if they detect that there's a burrow nearby, they will run away and they will jump into their burrow and they'll despawn. So scared jellies, you either need to have a friendship spell that does a lot of damage, so it doesn't require you to use that many, I'm going to say, attacks to tame the jelly. Or you just got to hope that you're going to be able to catch up to them and tame them. And then there are aggressive jellies like the biter. They will actually use spells against you to, I'm going to say, hurt you? It's not really hurt. This is why these guys were implemented, these block walkers. Basically, the aggressive jellies will hit you. It'll stun you. So, as you can see here, I got hit. It knocked me back. And then I'm going to actually hold the movement keys, and you can see that I'm stunned. Different attacks will have different lengths of stun and different, like, stun power. So you'll get stunned, and that'll give the jelly the opportunity to run away. Hi, Aya. Hi, Storebird. I don't have a Fairlii Twitch account. I don't believe I have a Fairlii Twitch account, but I have a Storebird Twitch account, so I just use Storebird. Isn't it kind of annoying to chase them, though? That's kind of the point. That's how I'm feeling about jellies. I think that's how you'll tame the jelly. And then what the jelly it will do is you can feed a jelly whenever it's hungry. I don't know how I'll display that it's hungry. Maybe I'll put like a little icon above its head to show that it's hungry. Some jellies might get more hungry than others. Blah, 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 blah. You know the deal. And I'm not sure right now if they will want a specific food or just any food. I'm just going to say any food. They'll ask for a food. You feed them, and then they'll produce an item. Different jellies will produce different items. I was thinking of having some jellies just producing experience points for the different skills, but I'm not sure about that just yet. But for now, the jellies are just going to produce an item. This is very old Jelly World style stuff. But another thing that I want to do is you'll be able to bring a jelly with you. Maybe I might do more than one jelly at a time, but for now, I'm just saying you'll be able to bring one jelly with you, and each jelly will have a partner ability. I'm not really fond of this, but I guess I'll trust the process. It's the exact same as it used to be. Hasn't changed at all. The only difference is it's more interactive with taming the jellies. You used to just walk up and hand them food, and then they would be your friend. There was no fun to it. The only thing that has changed now is that you bringing the jellies with you gives you a special benefit while they're with you as your partner, as opposed to just doing nothing. So the example that I gave was maybe the leaf lup, when you carry it, not carry it, when you have it in your party, it's your partner jelly. It might make it so that when you knock down trees, it drops Sacrello sap. So your partner jelly will alter things about the world. And there'll be different jellies suited for different skills. So if you like chopping down wood, there'll be Hi Fern, did you hear him meowing? If you like wood cutting, there'll be jellies that'll be helpful to wood cutting. There'll be jellies that'll helpful for farming. There'll be a jelly for all the different skill types. But they're mainly just used for providing resources. Can you stop saying things exploding? I'll wait to play before giving any feedback. I don't really want crazy feedback because I'm not intending for this game to be anything major. I don't even think I'm going to charge money for this game. This is purely for the community and just an amalgamation of random ideas. I'm like, I don't want to do like, this is my dream game. This is going to be the greatest game of all time. I just want to make a game that people just goof around with and have fun with. So I'm not as concerned about balance or it being like an amazing game or anything like that. This game is going to be the next Pokemon. I'm taking inspiration from Legends Arceus and also Animal Crossing. I want it to be very open-ended. I want the player to just do as they as they want. I'm not concerned about it either then. No, Io, when you play it, I expect papers on my desk by 7 a.m. the next day. I require a written report. MLA format. The leaflup is a sap jelly. Okay. So I was showing off what we did yesterday. Yesterday we made it so you can do stuff like this. You can harvest crops. You can also pick up the leaves. Well, this is grass, but they give you sticks right now. And you can pick up items. And if you have another item on the ground, you can pick it up and it adds it to the stack. You can throw items. And that's just a whole new interaction thing. As you can see by this happening, there's still bugs. I believe you can pick up items while you're already carrying an item. So if there's like a stick, these sticks are like forever bugged now. If I have this stick and I go here and I pick this up, it's just gonna bug out. So we can actually fix that. MLA format, my worst enemy. Maybe bonbons can increase your movement speed as a companion. That's a cool idea. Somebody in the office has been tampering with all of our files. Recently deleted System 32 from every PC. But worst of all, he didn't wishlist jelly fields. Oh, that's criminal. If you don't wishlist jelly fields with the link in the description, you deserve jail time. For real. For real. Alright. Let's fix this and make it so that you can't pick things up when you're picked things up already. What, baby fern? Come here. Ugh. Hi there, little buddy. Is Jelly World going to be released on Steam too? No. Fern jelly? A little fern jelly? Oh, a little Garfield jelly? Oh, little baby. He's purring. He purrs really loud. Fairlii, you should do jelly art contest. One gets added to Jelly World. That would be kind of cool. May I have the color codes of the blue. That's a lot of work. I don't know. Maybe if you ask me later. I don't know. I'm busy. So we're gonna check for hold. And then when we check for hold, we do holdable hold object. Okay. Or holder. Oh, I see. If this is not okay, we want to say if this is not this, then just return. I believe that's the issue that we saw here. So I think this is gonna fix that bug. Put cat up to the microphone. I want to hear the engine. I don't know if it'll be able to hear it. Hold on. Let me see. Can you hear it? Can you hear it? He's purring. Can you hear it? He's getting sleepy, which I don't want to pick him up or mess with him while he's sleepy. Because if I wake him back up, he's gonna be crazy again. I don't want him to be all crazy again. But you guys could hear it. He's laying on my lap right now. So we got kitty related activities. Okay, I'm gonna pick up these sticks. Well, actually, let's pick up this turnip. Drop that. And now we can't pick this up. Oh, I see an issue right now. It should actually drop it. So instead of this, we're actually going to drop object. But then we need the drop power of the player. Oh. This might be an interesting... He's licking my finger right now. He's an EP baby. Okay, we've encountered an issue. We've encountered an issue. Shoot. How would we figure this out? Oh, he just sneezed on my arm. What the freak? The issue that I'm having is, you can see this in game. Could you hear a sneeze? We're working on Jelly World. I like how people are like, what game are you working on? It says it on the thumbnail, doesn't it? Doesn't the thumbnail say Jelly World? The problem that I'm having now is this. I can throw it here, but when I'm overlapping these fellas, I can't throw it. And the reason why I can't throw it is because when I'm checking for hold, it's detecting that I can hold something. And in the interact, it checks for hold, and that returns a true or false. What we might have to do is we might have to make a secondary check. We need to do that. Holder? Can ChatGPT fix my marriage? Whoa. Fern, no sneeze on Fairlii. Fern should have an epic adventure around the world looking for not sneeze spray or something. I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying. Let's see. We can do a bool for holding objects. This would return true. This would return false. And this would return true. And then in here we could say if this, then return true. I think this works. Yay! It works. So now this should, like, if I do this. Yeah, there you go. Okay, it works. We did it. Thought this was a Jelly Fields stream. You can see by how it's not Jelly Fields that it's not Jelly Fields. Bye, Lucas. See you later, Lucas. I want to make it so that we can plant crops. I have the crop manager here. I don't think in the save data we have... Ow. There's a cat biting my finger. We have the player's inventory. But we don't have a... I guess we can do... Actually, I'll do this later. I'm sure you guys don't want to watch me do save-related stuff. Instead, we can... let's do some crop planting. That'll need to be in the game master and the crop manager. Oh wow, I didn't realize that I just didn't do this. Spawn crop that get build withered crop. No, withered crop equals... Oh, okay, I see. I get it, what's going on here. So this is for spawning a crop. If crop day since watered is less than 3, then spawn it and spawn it at the world crop data.crop stage. Should I make a thing that's like public void make new world crop data? And we'll just have can we do a crop name? Yeah. World crop data. World crop data dot crop ID equals crop database dot get crop by name. Crop name. Why is this wrong? Oh. Right. Real crop data dot crop ID dot crop ID. Sorry, I'm like, I can't think properly. And then we want an int position X, int position Y. Ow. If you hear me say ow, it's because this cat is attacking me. This should just be like an easier way for me to do this. What else does world crop data need? World crop data dot crop stage. Ow. Actually, I'll make a hold on. I'm gonna just do a. I'm just gonna copy this and I'm gonna just make it a different thing. We're gonna just say spawn new crop, and then we're gonna say string crop name, and then int position X, int position Y, and this will just be a fresh crop. Okay. And then world crop data, world crop data equals new. I'll read chat in a minute, guys. Continue sending your thingy dingy. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. Actually, we're just gonna do it this way. World crop data dot. This makes no sense. Why I'm doing this way? But it's gonna be easier for me to help. And then we're just gonna say spawn crop world crop data. Okay. This is purely just a like thinger. Okay. Because we want to be able to, if you have seeds, we want you to be able to plant your seeds. Which I don't think I have any seeds in the game. And I don't know if my item data script says anything about seeds. I'll say public let's let you guys see this. Maybe you could add a fishing mechanic where you could fish up new jellies and then you could tame it while it tries to run. That's cute. There's an item you can get and you can feed it to the jelly and the jelly grows. Can't stay, but I wanted to say hi and wish you the best. Thank you, Fold Up Games. Coding stream. Yes. I got addicted to Poke Rogue for like a month. My wife wants to divorce me now. Good. Not good. More talk about bombs. Stop talking about bombs. What the heck is up with you? Weirdo. Is seeds. The turnip seeds are seeds. And then we're going to say public crop data crop to plant. I guess we don't need to say is seeds. If it has a crop to plant, it'll be seeds. So we'll just do that. Is Mellyfly in Jelly World? Yeah, the Mellyfly will be in Jelly World. This one's gonna be a turnip. And we can say for now, just because we're gonna be goofy, we're going to prefabs, crop. No, not you. My bad. Placeables. We're gonna go into this grass. And instead of dropping a stick, we're gonna drop turnip seeds. There we go. So small grass will drop turnip seeds. What the heck did my mouse just do? And we're gonna make the player even more complicated, as per usual. How gaming works. We now need to make a... When you interact, we now need to make a new thing. So we're going to check for hold. We're going to check for interact. But before we check for any of that, we're going to do public bool. Check for item interaction. And we're going to just return false. And we'll say if holder is holding, if holder dot held get component world. Actually, we're just gonna say we're gonna make a new type of interaction. So I'm gonna do that really quick. I know you guys can't see it. Actually, no. We're gonna just keep it like this. World item dot crop to plant. If it has a crop to plant, we're gonna return true. And we're gonna say player data get component. I actually need to I need to check something really quick. I need to see if there's a reason why I have my save data the way it is. I think it's because this script is gonna go anywhere. So I need a reference to the game master. I'm gonna do this. I think I'm gonna go bye. I'm gonna make another one of these fellas. I'm gonna make a static game master script. And then I'm gonna just take this. Did it just freeze? Oh, there it goes. I don't want it to just don't destroy unload. That was the laziest thing I've ever done. I actually don't even need to do that, because I could just say this. Don't worry, guys. I'm smart. Just to avoid any issues in the future, I'm going to go to my project settings, and I'm going to go to my script execution order, and I'm going to add the game master. Wherever the freak that is. Didn't I need a... I probably could have done that in a different way, huh? It doesn't appear in here. Why does it not appear in this list? Sure. You guys can't even see the list that I'm looking at. Anyways. In here, we're gonna get GameMaster.GameMaster.getComponent. Ow! Crop manager dot spawn new crop. The crop name is gonna be folder dot held object dot get component. Ah! World item item dot crop to plant dot crop name. And then we're gonna make a vector 2. New vector 2. Spawn position equals how do you guys, I just totally forgot how to do the vector. How do you 2 3 do I need to do it like this? Guys, I've totally forgot how to do this. Is it just vector 2 spawn position equals new vector 2 math f dot round to int. I should probably do floor. The problem with that is it's gonna spawn position dot x, spawn position dot y. Oh, because it needs to be a vector 2 int. This is gonna cause some issues, I believe. Yo, what's happening right now? We're working on making you able to being able to plant crops. We're making it so you can plant crops. A sweet root is not a beetroot, it's a carrot. We need these. This item doesn't exist. It doesn't? What? Turnip seeds. Oh. We're working on the jelly world. This item doesn't exist. What? How? What is the problem? What is the problem? Should it be... We'll see if that works. Why does this... How does this item not exist? Aren't these supposed to be -1 by default? Is it because of that? It might not have been properly implemented because... Ah! There it goes. Okay, now if I... It'll just throw it. I didn't actually make this work properly. I didn't actually do it, huh? I did not do it, huh? I gotta go now. See ya. Bye. So, when you interact, it's gonna check if you can hold. If holder dot is holding, we're gonna say check for item interaction. Whoops, we want to say if check for item interaction. Wowzers. Turn. This is our little order of operations for interacting with things. It's a really annoying part of making games like this where things can be layered on top of each other is figuring out what thing to do first. Are you going to pick up the jelly first? Are you going to place down the seeds first? You should have seen what it looked like in the original Jelly world. Should we go down memory lane and I should open up the old versions of Jelly World and we can sift through all the stuff in it? Okay, so look, it's planting the crop, but it's planting it like... Oh, shoot. Give me my seeds back. I think I can also just like... Yo, look at this! Ah! Suffering with old Jelly Roll is cool. We'll do that. We'll do a little bit of that. Clearly I have not done this properly. We need to check the ground. We need to check if check for item. If it's cropped a plant, we're gonna say collider 2D ground collider equals physics 2D physics 2D dot overlap circle isn't it the point transform dot position 0.2f ground layer if ground collider, then we can do all this. If not, there's no ground, so we're gonna return false, and then it's just gonna throw the item. So now I shouldn't be able to do that. If ground is grounding, yeah, basically that's the code that I wrote. If the ground is grounding, we're gonna do a thing. Idea: game where the ground checks the player. Whoa. I keep forgetting which button it is to spawn crops. It's P. There you go. Now I can't do it in the air. I can do it there, but it's one tile too low. Should we just be lazy and just add a tile? I might just be lazy and just add a tile. Position X +1. Hey, if it works, you know? If it works. And then we're going to destroy. Let's actually make a thing in the holder so that no bugs happen here. And we're gonna go public void destroy object. Destroy held object. And we're gonna just say held object. No, wait. Destroy held object. And then is holding equals false. I like to keep things contained to themselves. Holder dot destroy held object. Let's see if this works. Just remembered a weird thing my older brother does. He puts on his VR goggles and goes outside. Is he or is he not touching grass? What does he do in VR outside? It sounds kind of awesome. If we had like a big backyard where there wasn't people like looking at me all weird, I would maybe get in VR and go outside. Like imagine playing like Minecraft in VR outside. That could be cool. That could be sick nasty. I have seeds. Okay, I planted the seeds, but that did not plant the way I wanted it to. I also noticed... Okay. There's a lot of issues with planting things. Oh, I did X +1. Guys, come on. Why didn't you guys tell me I did X +1? Wait, what? Oh, okay. I see where it's from. Y plus 1. We're gonna go one issue at a time. There's more open space than there is inside. That makes sense. This should work now. Would berries be spelled berry? I never left Unity. Okay, there we go. This is the intended thing we want. I need to see now if there's the issue of us being able to do this. Yeah. So we're gonna need to check. We need to check in the game master, no, not in the game master, in the crop manager. Does this go through the placing manager? Okay, wait a minute here. Placeable manager. This should be going through the placeable manager. Okay. We have a bit of an issue here. The issue is the crop manager goes through the crop manager. I might need to go through the placeable manager. This might be a little bit of a crazy little thing here. We're gonna do spawn play Siable crop. And leave bye. What if it was fun? Those were goofy. I remember doing that back in the day. Is a crop a placeable? A crop is not a placeable. You know what I think I might do? You guys gotta let me cook here. You gotta let me think real quick. I have two different systems that are doing different things, and I need to mesh them together. I guess I can just do check if came place. We'll do that first. This is fine. I think I figured out how to do this. This is gonna be okay. I'm having a problem because it's like, are you gonna release public demos on the server for Jelly World? Yeah. The idea of Jelly World is that it's all gonna be like publicly available. That's what I'm currently thinking. And I think I might be crazy and I might make the game free, so anybody can play it with the option to donate if you want to. But this is for the community. This is all for the community. I'm trying to think of how to do this in a way that's not going to be really convoluted and annoying. But I think I can just do this. If get component placeable manager dot check if can place road crop data dot, is it a vector 2 dot spawn position? Then else we're gonna debug.log and we're gonna say there is already something placed here. Can't wait for Jelly World mods. I'm assuming people are gonna do it. They're probably gonna mod it. Can't wait for the first demo. I want to get the first demo out sometime, but there's like no game right now. Okay, so I shouldn't be able to plant it here. Okay. Okay, we need to do this. Freak. We're gonna get rid of this. Gonna grab this. I'm having a little bit of a struggle here. Whoops. A little bit of a struggle here. Because now I need this to also be a check. Actually, I'll just do public bool try place crop. This is a lot of technical mumbo jumbo. Actually, let's just go all the way back. Get rid of this. Is this gonna grab all that? Yeah, it is. Dang it. Get component placeable manager dot check if can place. Vector 2. You know what? I'm gonna just do this real quick. I'm doing it in the placeable manager. Sorry guys, I know this is kind of annoying. So we need to check if can place the tiles, and then we need to check if can place. Let's just do all that in the player. We'll just assume that you already know. Okay. We'll do this. If GameMaster.get component placeable manager dot check can place. Well, let me grab all this. This will go here. Okay, we're gonna check if you can place, and then we'll say if GameMaster.get component placeable manager check if can place tiles, the position. Whoops. Spawn position, and then we'll just say 0, 0. Then we'll do that. I only take my money and sometimes floor cash. I just played the Jellyfields demo and got a jelly named Maxwell. Yeah, there's always a jelly named Maxwell. Bye, hoo-ha. Fairlii, Phil, and Andy are taking my money? Wait, how am I taking your money? Can you specify in the rules how many times I can swear a day? 2 moderators. Wait, what? I came back. Hi, Lucas. Oh, look, we just got a bunch of seeds. So I can't place seeds here because there's something already there. I shouldn't be able to place it here because there's a tile there. But I should be able to place it here. Huzzah! Yay! And I shouldn't be able to place them in the air or anything like that. Oh man, and now I need to make sure if I can place them inside of each other. No, I cannot. Look at that. Yay! I can place seeds. There's a bit of an issue with placing the seeds where it doesn't care about the stack amount. But we can fix that right now. Let me read some chat. 2 moderators who work on Pebble Dash are taking my money. How are they taking your money? I don't get that. Do you pay them? Let's see. Maybe we don't want to do destroy held object, but we want to do... Let's make a new thing for the holder. Public void use item. We've established that this is an item, so we're just gonna say holder.use item. This is gonna make this easier. Because holder, we're gonna say, like right here, where we do this, we're gonna do this, and we're gonna basically do this, but we're gonna minus equals. We're gonna minus equals 1. And then we'll say if held, we'll do this. If held object dot get component world item data dot item amount -1 is less than or equal to 0. Destroy held object. And return. But if not, it's gonna do this. ASMR coding sounds. Good luck getting the piano out the window too, by the way. Piano? Who has a piano? Who's a pianist? Fairlii, this is goofy, silly gooberism. That's pretty cool. I feel like I could get up to some silly gooberism. Okay. I'm gonna throw down those seeds. Did any more seeds spawn? No. There's some. Okay, let's pick up these. Oh, dang nabbit! Arg. That's a bit of, that's another issue that we're gonna run into here. Okay, now I have 2 seeds. Oh my goodness. Give me my seeds. Okay. I think I'm encountering an issue here where... Here, let me do this. Okay. What was that issue that I just ran into? Oh, I know what it was. Okay. This order is wrong. The order is wrong. In player controller... Oh shoot, that's gonna be a problem. No. It's not gonna be a problem. Right? I hope this is gonna be correct. What are the blue guys? Those are block walkers. They are related to the... Let me see if I can actually pull this up real quick. We're going to actually, for those of you that have stuck around, we're actually going to do a deep dive on old Jelly World stuff. And look at some concept stuff and other things like that. It's going to be pretty cool. We're just gonna get the crop placing thing happening, and thinging. It's gonna be happening and thinging. Okay, so we wanna pick up that, throw that. That should pick up that, and then that should plant that. Yes! Give me all these sticks. Ah! The block walker. Ah! Okay. We got that. Let's, for the first time today, actually open up the Trello page. Let's see. Chrome. This one. Because we did a lot of stuff today. We did not do the max stack amount, but what we did was planting crops. We'll put that there. We didn't do the max stack amount. We haven't done any jelly related stuff. There's some saving things that I need to do. Save placeables. Save spawned crops. We need to make it so crop harvesting. Make it so you can't harvest crop that isn't fully grown. Okay. Let's do that really quick. In the old wilderness spawner, well actually in the old prefabs for crop, the crop data let's see. I have seasons, but I don't know if I'll actually use seasons. We don't actually... Well... Does it not have the, Does the world crop not actually contain the, like, crop save data? Do I not have that in here yet? If that's not in here, I'll do that on my own free time. Let's see. There is world crop data. Then where is that here? Am I dumb? It doesn't contain world crop data. Public world crop data world. This should have all of these thingies in here. Yeah, it should have like all of this stuff. So when the wilderness spawner spawns a crop, Spawn new placeable. Spawn new crops. I guess I was going full in on seasons. I guess actually this should be in the crop manager, right? The crop manager should do all of this nonsense. Let's say world crop, world crop equals spawn crop that get component world crop. Then we want to do world crop that get component get that game object. Why no wanna work? What the freak? Oh. Duh. Sorry, guys. World crop dot get component. Actually, is it just? Yeah, no. It is just that. Oh my goodness. I can't be thinking something or something. No, I'm fixing a bug. I'm not fixing a bug. I already fixed the bugs. I'm making it so when a crop spawns, it'll be able to know whether it's grown or not, and if it's grown, then you'll be able to harvest it, but if not, you will not be able to pick it up. But that means we need to do world crop dot world crop data equals world crop data. So what this is gonna do, it's gonna do some cool stuffs and things. Let me clean up real quick by grabbing all of these scripts, shove them into that folder, just to make sure. If equals if. Yeah, something like that. So we're gonna spawn some crops, and now in these crops there is this crop data, and these all have their individual crop datas. Good. But we're gonna need to add a new thing in here. Is water public public bool can harvest. And we'll just say if what the hell? If world crop data dot crop stage is greater than or equal to crop data dot crop spreads dot count. Can harvest equals true. No way, it's back. Yay! Okay, so the stage should be like that. Let's see if this works. It might work, it might not. I don't remember exactly the number I'm supposed to do. I need to plug in my controller when I do this. This game is meant to be played with a controller. Okay, now if I look at these crops... Yes, this one I can harvest. This one I cannot. Can we do in the wilderness spawner? I want to do crops to spawn. I'm going to add a third one, and it's going to be in stage 1. And we'll spawn a couple and see if it goes to stage 1. There's a couple there that are stage 1. Okay, stage 1 is not fully harvestable, but this one is. Yes. So now we're going to go to crops. We're going to go to interact. Harvest crop. Well, actually, how does this determine if I can harvest this crop or not? Check for interact. I guess harvest crop, that'll just say if world crop dot world crop date. Ah! You guys aren't seeing this now, but that's okay. There we go. No way, guys. Jelly World is real. We're actually gonna live in the Jelly World. Enter the Jelly World. Now I should not be able to harvest that, but I should be able to harvest this. And I should not be able to harvest this. Yay! Look at how much food I got. Let's just get ourselves a ton of turnips. That's so annoying that I can do that. I can throw it into the wall. And I can't pick it up. I don't think I'm going to be doing many cramped corridors like that. Unity is not a big fan of that. Look, we did this. We did it, guys. We've done so many good things today. So much good progress. Now I can go here and this thing. We can put it in. Done. Let's just do this really quick. This will be the last thing that I want to do for today. I want to do the max stack thing. So I'm going to do a public string, not a string. What am I doing here? Public int max. Custom max stack. Okay. And then we're going to go into our holder. An error occurred while trying to open holder. Why? Why? Open it back up, please. This would be a good time, now that I just saw that it said error. I'm going to, I'm going to open Git real quick, and I'm going to push a thinger. I'm just gonna say stream work commit to main, and then we'll push. I'm just backing up the project real quick. Okay. Held object, a get component. For now, we're gonna say if. Oh, little baby. He's a little sleepy baby. Where did I do that thinger? If the held object, okay, component, world item. We're gonna say world item equals held object, okay, component, world item. Nope, wrong one. We want this one. Just so that we're not doing a bunch of get components. It's just better. Because we need to actually say if world item dot item data dot item amount plus holdable dot get component world item dot world item data dot item amount is greater than 32. Then we're going to say world item dot item amount equals 32 equals 32. We're gonna say holdable. Oh shoot. We're gonna have to make an int amount together equals. This is more visual thing for me than anything. World item dot world item data dot item amount plus holdable. It actually knew what I was gonna say. I'm gonna say amount to give, and then minus 32. So we're gonna combine them together, and we're gonna minus 32. But we're actually gonna do it this way. We're gonna make this even more complicated. And stack amount equals 32. If world item dot world item data dot, oh no wait, we want world item dot custom max stack is greater than 0. We're gonna set stack amount to world item dot custom max stack, and then we're just gonna say, so that we're gonna say stack amount. Okay. And then this is just gonna equal stack amount. And then greater than or equal to. And then if amount to give is greater than 0, we'll do this. No matter what, it's gonna do this. Yeah. Amount to give is 0. If not, we're gonna say holdable dot get component world item. I can do the secondary thing later, but that world item data dot item amount equals amount to give. Let's actually do that for now. We're gonna say world item hold item equals holdable dot world item, and then we're just gonna put hold item instead of this whole holdable get component nonsense. There you go. So we're gonna say hold item dot and then we're gonna say hold item dot set amount. Correct? No, set item. Set item. False. Is this correct? Fairlii, you going off after the next stack? Max stack? Or are you doing something else? The max stack is going to be 32 by default, but items will be able to have a custom max stack. Right now I'm making it so when you pick up an item and the item that you're picking up is above the max stack, it won't delete it. It'll subtract the amount and then it'll leave that item on the ground. That's the hope. Let's get a bunch of items here. There's 30 of those, 2 of those. Wait, what? Huh? I'm gonna ignore that. Why is this happening? Why is this happening? Huh? What? Did I do something stupid? Hold on a minute. Whoops, it's you. I must have done something dumb. Check for item interact. It's during the checking for the hold, I believe. Holder. Hold object. Wait. Check for hold. Okay, what does check for hold do? You find an item. I didn't find an item. Grex's back, Fairlii. Hi, Smell Girl. I'm curious, are regularly scheduled devlogs making a comeback, or at least occasional progress updates? I would like them to. Yeah, I would love that. It all depends, really. What the flip? Does it log in interacting with thing? It doesn't log anything. It just logs that there's not an instance. Holder is holding. The held object is an item. Item has a craft a plant. I'm so cute. Phew. Guess I woke up at 4:16 p.m. Dang. How late were you up? Custom breakpoint. Custom breakpoints are for nerds. I'm gonna do it the time-consuming and annoying way. What is the deal here? I actually don't know what happened. An error occurred in miscellaneous files. That's just Unity and Visual Studio being funny. Let me see if this will plug into download for Unity for your hierarchy to change the color. It's called Pretty Hierarchy. I need to use more of it in this project. Let me see something really quick. No, it's just not doing it at all. Debug.log game master. I'm gonna start doing debugs. Fairlii using so much math in his project? I don't use any math. I avoid math if I have to, because I'm not good at it. Okay, let's see. How is the game master not a thing? What? This is bugged out. Hold on a second. This is just bugged out. What? What? Looking for inspiration. Can you recommend a good community for indie and bedroom devs? I have a few ideas and would love to find a couple devs to work with me. Oh. Math f.floor to int, I think I saw. That just takes whatever number it is. If it's a float, it sets it to an int by flooring it, so it doesn't round. If you round, it'll be like, let's say you have 20.6, that'll round it up to 21. If you use floor, 20.6 will always go to 20. It'll always go to the base number. It's not very mathy. It's pretty simple to understand. Is there a reason why this is not working? I can't. Is this an error with just... Hold on, let me do a display so you guys can see this. Does anybody know what the deal is with this? Look at this. You guys just saw that this was just working. I think I'm having a Unity error. Alright. I need this Game Master script. I type in Game Master, nothing pops up here. The script is right here. Okay. I can open it. It's a script. Right? I can go here and I can take it and I can put it in, and then it tells me the script class cannot be found. That's got to be a Unity thing, right? Well, let's find out. Hold on a minute. Let me save my stuff. Let me exit out of this. We'll come back in. By the way, we are going to go on a deep dive looking at old Jelly World stuff in a second here. It'll probably be like a part 1. And then we can do like a part... We can just continuously look through old stuff. Bedroom devs like in the 1980s, everyone was writing 8-bit games. Oh, right, of course. I think most devs are just in their bedroom nowadays. No, I still can't use this script. Why? What the heck? Am I a dum-dum? It has no references? What do you mean? Is Game Master already a name of a thing in Unity? Can you not? Hold on. I don't think that's a thing. No. Just delete the script and put it on a new one. I might have to do that because the method has nobody calling it. It's an awake function. It's awake. Unity should be calling that. But Unity can't call this because I can't put it on anything. It's a normal class. Like this class with mono behavior. It has things and it has functions. It has an awake. It's a class. Mono behavior. I don't see why this would be a thing. It's private? No. The awake and start functions are private. So if I go to like here, it's gonna be private, like private void fix update. Maybe it's static. I need it to be static. This was just working. I think this is like a Unity being weird thing. How do I hold on. Unity, how to clear miscellaneous files. I need to figure out how to... It's not appearing as a miscellaneous file. No, if I change that, it's not gonna work, because it's meant to be a singleton. It's meant to be accessed from anywhere else. I've done this hundreds of times. It's never had this random issue like this before. This script was just... You named your script incorrectly? Where? No, I didn't. There might be another script that has the same name. I don't think so. No. There's only one thing with that name. How does it instantiate anyways? It's supposed to be on an object, but I can't add it to the object. Like most scripts, it's supposed to be there. The script class cannot be found. Make sure there's no compile errors and that the file name and class name match. Rename game master I don't get it. Definitely recreate the script. Yeah. I'm gonna just take this. I'm gonna delete the script. Delete it. Watch us just fix it. And we will have wasted time. Create C# script. I think when it was recompiling the scripts to Visual Studio, it might have just had like some sort of like bug. It's Unity, so things like that happen. No, it's still gone. I still can't do like... What the freak? It is. It's being stupid. What is this? I'm gonna make an entirely differently named script. I'm gonna call it Game Master. I'm gonna say Game Masters with an S. What would setting a breakpoint do? I can't even put the script on anything. The script can't even go anywhere. The name Game Master does not exist in the current context. I just didn't want to have to do that because now I have to do... Stop! The heck? How to do that? August 36th, 2036, the heat death of the universe? What? James just James? James? What? Oh, my music stopped. Let me get this music going again for you guys. Oh my god, AI SpongeBob. Where? Okay, let's see. It just works now. What the freak? Unity? Wasting all my time. Okay, 20. Wow, this would be perfectly 32. Okay, so we have 32. Yeah. Okay. So that works. So this is 16. I wanna get rid of this. Get rid of the sticks. Get rid of that too. We want to just do the turnips. So 16 and 5. There's 21. And then 25. Eh. 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 Oh, we got really unlucky. Okay, 21 and 25. What is 21 plus 25? Hold on. I gotta do math. 21 plus 25. 46. 46 minus 32. 14. So we should get a stack of 14 here, and that will confirm that this works. It works! This stacked to 32, and that one went to 14. Yay! I kind of want to make the other one bounce. Let's make it bounce. Holder. Yeah, I believe it's here. True. There you go. We did some math stuffs. What happens if you move it back to your scripts folder? Maybe that was the error, was that it was like... when I moved it, it like bugged out. Let's see. Squidward said that? The death of the universe? Squidward said that? Why would Squidward say that? Oh my god. That's what it is. It's my scripts folder. I've never had this issue happen before. I just moved all these scripts in here, and the only one that doesn't work is that one. How does that make sense? Now it works. I just deleted the meta file for it. And I'm assuming it just regenerated the meta file. And now it works. What in the Unity? What in the Unity is going on here? All right, let me push this commit to Git, and we'll go to the old Trello page. On the Trello page, we did the max stack amount is done. Are we using Unity 6? No. This is using 2022.2.5 F1. Which is like a stable version of Unity that I've used in the past that I like. Okay, we're done with this. Time to go to... We're going to open up an old version of this. Let me make this commit to Git. More stream work. Commit. Push. We're going to start from the original Jelly World. Did I say Jelly Fields? I need to change... Do you guys think if I change the name from Jelly World, it'll be a smart or a dumb idea? People are already so confused about the name of my games. I feel like it would just confuse people more if I changed the name of it. Let's see. I need to add the project. Let me just go back to the start page. Games. I don't remember where this was. It's somewhere. I might be able to find it here, actually. Make a backup first. That's why I just did the commit to git. That was the backup. I don't know how to make a backup because the terminal is bad. Jelly Land, Jelly Place, GitHub too complex. No, no, it's not. Look. Let me show you. If you're using Unity, if you're using Unity and you want to use GitHub, you do this. Make a GitHub account. You download this GitHub desktop. You go to File, New. You select the location of the project. You go to Git Ignore. You scroll down. You find Unity. Then you click Create Repository. And then it'll create it. And then whenever you do something new, you just type in blah 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 blah. Then you hit Commit to Main. Then a button pops up over here that says Push Origin. Then you click that. And you have backed it up. Good tutorial by me. Okay, now I need to figure out where this original Jelly World program is. Because I think I put it somewhere so that it wouldn't take up storage on my main hard drive. So it's it's somewhere in here. Jelly World? Here it is. Add project. I should probably do something for my Godot game. Like what? Tutorials with Fairlii. People have asked me to make tutorials, but I feel like I'm not... I haven't even made a full game before. How could I do tutorials? I don't feel like I'm... Oh, by the way, this is bothering me. I feel like this schedule text is like... off-centered. Jelly World, Jelly Continent, Jelly Country, Jelly State, Jelly District, Jelly City, Jelly Fields, Jelly Blade of Grass, Jelly Cell, Jelly Atom, Jelly Electron, Jelly Proton versus Jelly Neutron. Who will win? Jelly Lane. Neither win. They combine together. It's a tower defense for practice? Oh, a tower defense game. By the way, it's importing Jelly World right now. So while we wait... While we wait, I might just do this. Look at this. This was the forest area for Jelly World. This was just like crazy. There's some chickadons, chickadeets. There's like eggs in a thing. I don't even think I drew this. I think somebody helped me draw this. Somebody definitely helped me draw the bushes in the background. I did not do that myself. The jellies look so weird. Like, look at the Voltier. Look at the Fairlii. There's the deer jelly that has never come back since then. There's the woodier jelly that's never seen. Is this open now? It is open. Wait, this is not the version of Jelly World I wanted. The heck is this version? This one's a crazy version. Oh my god, this one is weird. Look at this. Oh. What are my buttons? Oh, there we go. Wait, I have an inventory? Look, I have an inventory. How do I throw? Why is everything all different buttons? This was my first version of Jelly World that was in the sky. I believe this is a chest. This is a chest. Look at this. And then this is a... I don't know what this is on the ground here. I can put these in my inventory. Let me take these out. And then I think you can put them in the chest. Did I put them in the chest? No, I put them back into my inventory. Okay, so you couldn't put things into... What was this code like? Oh yeah, there was wall sliding and wall jumping, and there was also double jump and glide. But I'm pretty sure this code is like horrendous. Also the gliding, what the freak? The animation on the inventory is pretty cool though. I know for a fact this stuff is weird. Let me see if there's any dev buttons. I don't think so. Let me look at what was going on here. Okay, this chest. Okay, first of all, the chest item. The chest objects has the actual inventory in the object. So every chest you spawn would have had this object. Not a great start. Okay, these are apparently grab objects. Let me look what was going on with my player controller. I want to see what this code is like. Wall sliding. What was my, like, pickup stuff? Sorry, I had to sneeze. Okay, I was doing a check for interactable. Crop manager. If check collider is null, if it is seeds. Just check for ground, checking for walls. This isn't horrible. It's not horrible. This is not the version of the game that I wanted to open, though. So, let me try and find the version that I wanted to open. No, don't open it again, Unity. Please. Okay. Add project. I'm gonna make sure this is the correct one. Bye, I didn't know you were here this whole time, Aya. I thought you left it a while ago. Sorry, I thought I had this, but apparently I did not have this stuff all thought out. Okay, this is the one that I wanted. This one. Add project. 2 years ago. Last time I touched this project was 2 years ago. Now this one's gonna have some crazy interesting code. And we'll be able to look at some interesting stuff. There's also, this is the third area in the game. This area doesn't show it. Let me open up some other stuff here so I can show the other thingy. Wow, there was a lot of stuff going on. Everyone thinks I left. No respect. So this area, I think this was called Lavender Hills originally. This is Mythstone. This is a Mythstone tree. This place is, as you can see, it's completely full of Mythstone trees. Make a jelly transparent? Nah. This is a Mythstone gem, Mythstone shards, and a Mythstone toolbox. You can see the toolboxes here. There is wooden, stone, iron, and ruby. They're not going to be called rubies, but that was the name. And these toolboxes, I might make them an item in the new Jelly World. The idea with the toolbox is that you used it to upgrade your house and other buildings and things like that. And you, when chopping down these trees, you would get Mythstone shards, which you could turn into a Mythstone gem, which I don't know why it looked like that. And there's also these Mythstone logs that you can pick up and throw. I hate these rocks that I drew. They look really bad. And the rock on the ground. Ooh, don't like it. I do like this ground texture, though. It's pretty cool. Here is a concept for winter. So you had the main character, you had a snow bee, you had the lollipop, you have the frozen crops. The idea was that crops would get frozen. And then there was the seasonal item, which was snowflakes. You would use snowflakes to craft things like little candy cane that you could put next to your house, or a snow bee man. Things like that. And then here is the ruins. Here is the ruby jelly. It's kind of like a little king jelly kind of going on. There's some ruby shards, rubies, ruby rock. This is a sunsnap turnip before it was what we know it is today. There's a copper rock. This is a golem mini before it became what it is now. This is a strange stone. This thing might make a comeback. I like this. A strange orb. The strange orb was used to repair the fusion machine, which I think the fusion machine is going to make a comeback. And there was other very strange things. I love the design of this place, so I might steal this idea for this design. I love it. Could you set the alpha on specific sprite cells? I'm new to Unity. Well, this isn't Unity. This is a sprite. And yeah, you can change the alpha on anything down here. But look, guys. It's original Jelly World. I have my volume off and no caption, so I'm watching silent footage. Then you can't hear what I'm saying. Look, guys. This is what original Jelly World's project was like. You guys get the behind the scenes for how buggy and bad this was. Here's the fusion machine. Here's the shop stands. This spawns a jelly. This spawns a turnip. That spawns a jelly. That spawns a leaf pile. And you can see that everything is all weird. It goes all the way to there. And then here's the town. And then that goes all the way to there. I don't know if this is going to run or not. There's also the well. This project was difficult, to say the least. I might encounter a lot of bugs. Yeah, it doesn't even want to. It doesn't want to run. The stand spots have issues. Let's just go over to the stands and let's just disable them. Yeah, there's videos of the development of this game on the channel. Customer manager. Where the hell is that at? Game master creator? What? Look at all this stuff. Nothing is organized. Oh my goodness. Game master? Oh my goodness. Game master. Where's the customer manager? Customer manager. Turn that off. We're not going to have any customers. There isn't going to be a game after I disable everything? Yeah. Global start. Oh my god. The Unity project was not generated for Visual Studio tools for Unity. What? Global start. What is this? What the heck is this? Guys, I did not have any clue what I was doing. What is this code? Why am I running events? Customer manager. Let's get rid of all that. Sky manager, weather effects, player coins plus 999? What is this? Wait, it's playing music. Ew, do you hear the sound of the jelly jumping? Oh my god. Okay. Okay, I have items. Oh, I can scroll. These are azalberry seeds. I have a wooden table. Oh, I'm using the hoe. I'm gonna use the hoe and I'm gonna plant these seeds. Okay. Okay. I've planted the seeds. And then which button switches my tool? This button. I'm gonna water. Oh, I'm out of water. Oh yeah, there was no... I forgot about that. Let's fill up my water can. Okay, my watering can got filled up. Let's water these. I think they're watered. Yeah, they're watered. There was no run. Oh shoot, I entered my house on accident. There was no run in the game. Instead, there was like a Mario 64 like long jump that you could do. Oh shoot, that chickadee just dropped some, is that sweet root? Yeah, it dropped sweet root seeds. Here, let me use my hoe here. It wasn't very accurate. And let's plant these sweet root. And then let's water it. Jelly World X Skibbity Toilet. Thank you. Can I pick these up? Look, it's Henry. Sir Jelly the Third. And then this one is just Jelly. This was back when they would stack on top of each other and they would bounce off each other and stuff. They were so buggy, though. Oh, yeah, we need more brain rot. Skibbity Jelly Toilet. Let's see. Let's see. What should we do? Should we build? Okay, we're building. Wooden table. I'm putting down wooden tables. How do I stop building? Oh. Resume. How do I get out of this mode? Oh, I can flip the table. How do I get out of here? Oh, I did it. Okay. Oh, look, my berries have finished. No, get out of the way, Jelly. No. How do I... Are these not finished? I don't think they're finished. Okay. Alright, get out of the way, Jelly. Yo, hi. Can I put items on the table? I think you could put items on the table. Look at that. I put items on the table. And it dropped 0 of that item. Oh my goodness. I want to go to the beach. Oh, look. It's a shop. What is in the shop? What are these? It's cube melon seeds. Oh, look. Well, there was a rare item there, but it's gone now. Well, this was a shop. Fairlii, this stupid Geometry Dash level is making me actually reconsider what I'm doing with my life. This is not a bit. Oh, you could just go flying. Whoa! Look, I'm at the beach, guys. Did anything spawn here? Look! Is there a shell jelly? Shell jelly, where are you? I've missed you. It's been so long. No, there isn't. There's some pretty water, though. And I got a starfish thing. Whee! Now that's real gamer movement. Look at this gaming movement that I can do. Alright, let's go foraging out for supplies. This looks like supplies. Yeah. We got some sticks. I like that animation. I think I'm gonna bring that animation back. Oh, look, it's so heavy, but I can just jump. There it goes. I'll just turn it into sticks. Give me this. Oh. I was like glitched out. I don't know if you guys saw that. Nope. I like those sound effects. Like it's a bonbon. Oh, there's a random tile over there. I'm gonna plant those there for no reason. Look, I'm in the forest. Oh, the forest is glitched out. You cannot land in the forest. But you can get arrow leaf. Oh, and you can see above the thingy. And it's a Pimptelli. This is when it was called the Pastelli. Wee! Can you guys not hear the game music? Wee! This is what? Wait, whoa. Did you see that jelly? It was like stuck on nothing. Here, let's do some fusion power. If you take a jelly, god dang it. You take a jelly. How do I do it? I don't know how to pick up the jelly and put it in the thing. I don't know. I don't think it works. This is what the game was. Oh, I need 5 wood to repair my bed. Here. Oh. What should I do? A blue or a pink bed? I'm gonna go with the pink bed. Bing, 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 bing. I swear that you could also like light the campfire, and then I try to sleep, and then the game breaks. This is Jelly World. This was the original game. It was a buggy mess. It looked like things were functioning in there, but it really wasn't functioning that well at all. Like, let me try and show an example. I don't even know how to, like, get to these specific things. We need the game master. Game master. Yeah, this thing had all this stuff. Item list. You see this item list? We had all these items, like this furniture and stuff. Oh my god, this was a nightmare to make this. I had the item IDs. It didn't do the item IDs and stuff by itself, so I had to manually put the numbers in for every single item that I added into the game. What a nightmare. What is the FPS? Wait. Is that a different... Am I crazy, or is there a different HUD now? This HUD was not here before, was it? Or was I just not paying attention? Am I crazy? Where's the, let me see if I can find the game. Yeah, the Game Master. Building usable item manager. Okay, there's Lunapon drops. There's a Snowbee card. Where's a Lunapon? What the heck? What is a miscellaneous? Playing music. Why is music in a miscellaneous thing? Why did it just put... I think I stayed out too late and it put me to bed. Oh my god. What is this? What? Is dark out? Player inventory. Player item rarity. Player item amounts. Player item... Oh my god. Tool slider? What is all this stuff? Oh yeah, I had an item shine shader. I can show you that. Look at that. This was for rare items. It was there? It was? I was not paying attention. I've gone crazy, I guess. Also, there's like there's a happy face down on the ground. What the heck? What in the world was going on with that? What the heck is going on? Okay. I say the stream shall end soon, but before we go, we're gonna have a little bit of fun. We'll have a little bit of fun. If you guys want to talk about anything, make sure to ask me things. I'll do a little Q&A segment, kind of. And we'll play a little Jelly Fields. Let me turn some volume up. I'm gonna need to delete my save file. Yeah, I was turning on Jelly Fields. I don't know how loud this is gonna be. Okay, yep, here's the copy of the contract. If you guys haven't played the Jelly Fields demo, you should. This game's good. Game good. I'm gonna skip through all the tutorial. If you want to know what happens during the tutorial, go to the link in the description to download the demo for Jelly Fields. Fairlii, tell me about enemy communities Discord for indie developers. Like even Reddit. I don't use anything. I have my own community, and I talk to a few other devs, but that's pretty much it. I need to change this because it's not full screen for me. There we go. Now it's better. Oh, it's been so long. It's been so long since I played. Can you guys hear this? Is it quiet for you guys? Oh, this is the old log. I'm playing the actual Steam demo. So I don't have all the new stuff that I've added lately, which is crazy. Let's get 2 of these going. Hello, Gloopert. Let me pet you. I very, like, often just... Wow, I got really lucky there. I just have, like, the sudden urge to just play this, which I think is good. Okay, this... There's a couple of devs in my Discord server, but we don't really do, like... We're more amateur. We don't talk about, you know, like, being a pro dev or anything like that. Is there any... I'll click you. I'll click you. Wow. Look at how pretty it is. Hi, Maxwell. Oh, shoot. What should I do with this? I'm gonna sell it. There we go. Dang it. I need to actually get rid of this spot. But that costs 20. Dang. Yeah, you eat these. Yay, I completed the challenge. Okay, I'm gonna put that here. That's gonna give me some monies. Okay, didn't get lucky there. Did I just accidentally scare away that bird without clicking it? Dang it. We're getting pretty close. We only have a couple left. Only a couple left. Have you made any new biomes? Maybe secretly. What are you gonna dig up? Is it a stick? It was a stick. Haha! And now we have Pompey. I'm gonna grab this Durner. Take you. You're sleeping. I can't feed you. Gimme, gimme, gimme. Oh, shoot! That is lucky! Oh, heck yeah. Let me just get these exclamation points to go away. Here. So it doesn't bother anybody. Let's just throw this in there for fun. Oh. I love the water. Messing with the water is one of the, like, most fun parts of the game for me. Don't know what it is. I just like the water. Give me that. Dang. Dang! Wow. I'm quite the lucky guy on Jelly Fields. It knows I'm the developer. It's like, oh, it's Fairlii. Let's give them all the good luck. Here, eat this. Eat that. Grab that and this. I need to get 20 to get rid of that. Here, you give me money, and I'll get rid of this. Good exchange. I need to build my farm up. Let's build our farm together. I'm curious, if you're in chat and you've played the Jellyfields demo, you should let me know what you thought of it. Oh. Give me that. You didn't even dig anything up, you crazy guy. I played it quite a while ago. Like the Steam demo? How much is this? 5? Get rid of that. I need to start getting them fed. Leaves? I always give leaves and sticks to the jellies. I never sell the leaves or the sticks. It's just one of my things I do. When this puppy grows, we're gonna be floating the boat. Yeah, any of the orange items go in that bin. It's pretty easy to misunderstand that. Make a permanent farm? Nah. There we go. Sell those. We're making some big bucks now. You eat that. I didn't mean to buy that. I meant to buy that. Sell these. Heck yeah. Oh, we're gonna be making big bucks now. Oh, and we got the float fruit. And the Sacrello sap. Come here, Maxwell. There you go, buddy. Oh, shoot! Oh. I got a jolt! Oh my god. This save is so lucky. Oh my goodness. I'm so lucky. That was a while ago though. Grow. Thank you. There we go. Now I can sell and use all those. Yes, we are selling, we are doing. We're doing all the things. That has... Oh, it's being blocked by that. I was like, that has no health left. Now it has no health. Are all those tools in Visual Studio from the Unity extension, or are there others you need after? What do you mean? I don't use any Visual Studio anything. I just have Visual Studio and then I have it connected to my Unity. The only other thing I have for Visual Studio is I have a theme, which just changes the colors. That's the only thing really. Schwinschnap turnip. This is a lucky save. Dang. Give me your feather. This is coming along really nicely, man. Thank you. Yeah, Jelly Fields is great. I'm using Visual Studio 2023 or something. 2020, I don't remember what it is. It's pink. When I open it up, it's pink. Like pink purple. I wasn't sure about the grid kind of art style originally from your video, but I low-key love it now. I tweaked it. I made it so that the grid kind of starts and then it goes away. Because I did get a lot of feedback from people where they didn't like that it was all using the grid. But oh, I don't have more money. I think the art style is very good. I really like this game. Not just like, not even just I like developing it. I just like playing the game. I'm really developing it at this point because I want there to be more things in the game. It scratches a particular itch. I feel like if you're the type of person that's like me, this like fills a void that you may have, which is what it does for me. Okay, let's get this charm and let's get some work done. Yeah, it's just a cool little fun game where you farm. Oh, robot bird. Oh, 2 jolts in one go. Oh my god. Why is this doing that? What the heck? That's a weird bug. Oh, another jolt. Another Sacrello tree. Dang, the luck is crazy. Wait, something was weird. There was no tree there. Why is that not there? That is not how that was supposed to be. We have planted the sweet root. I need to fix them. They like to go over here. Something about their code makes them run to the right more than to the left. So they end up running all the way over there for no real reason. I want them to be kind of more centrally located towards the farm. But, I mean, for the demo, it was fine. Does the player level know the normal that points to the sun? What? How do you get jolts? Jolts are the rarest, or I guess the second rarest thing you can get in the Lunapon machine, this guy, for leveling up. And you can also get them as a rare drop from the robot birds that only spawn during rainy weather. They have a really low chance of spawning only on this tree. I believe it's only on this tree. So sometimes there'll be like a silver gray looking bird. It's a robot bird. Whoops. Putting this in the wrong box. Sorry. That. How good are we at on a corruption? Halfway. We can do this, everyone. Push to the finish line. We can do it. Whoops. I normally give that to the fellas. I was reading chat. the layer that you play on, then you got ones further back that don't scroll as fast. It's parallax. Yeah, there's a parallax. The parallax, the way that the parallax works is the camera, when the camera moves, it just kind of offsets the sprites by an amount. So it's basically, as I move, the ground stays still, but these ones in the back move as well. So they're kind of just getting offset based on the position of the camera. Ah! My apologies. My apologies. I don't know, that's fine. It'll just be 2. We need these puppies to grow. Yeah, start growing, you freaks. What did I do with that sweet root? Did I just... Yeah, I threw it. Not paying attention. I think the combo of Jelly Fields and Jelly World is going to be great. I think people are going to really like both of them. I like both of them. They have different purposes. One is for the bloke that likes a big adventure, and one is for the bloke that likes to just chill. There's a sun. I want to know if the player knows the angle of the sun. No. The sun just moves down at a fixed speed, and that just happens to line up with the time of day. So then it becomes nighttime. The sun goes, it just moves down and goes down here. And then when it switches to nighttime, it changes to a sprite of a moon and then moves back up. There's nothing fancy. Just moving. Don't overcomplicate things if they don't really need to be. We did it! Job status complete. Give me that 25. Yes, we're back, manager. Yes. Let me see my train station. Whoa, it's so beautiful. I love it, Mr. Manager Man. Thank you. Goodbye. Oh, hello, Mr. Gilbert. Yes, yes, thank you. Let me rebuild this. Let me rebuild this. Boing, 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 bounce, bouncy, 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 bouncy. Okay, let's go to Rocket Retreat. Blue and Bluebin, what are you guys doing here? What's going on? Oh my god, it's abandoned supplies. Whoa, what's going on over here? If you gotta have a grid, make it pretty. I don't have to have the grid, it's just the art style. Do not worry, Blue and Bluebin. I am here to save the day by planting rock-tatoes. How do I join your community? There's a link to the Discord server in the description. I stream. You can check out my channel and watch my other videos. Give me monies. Thank you for the monies. This is getting overhauled, by the way. If you played the demo, this rock is gonna be a mini game now. This place is gonna be very different in the future. Dang, unlucky. I got so unlucky. Grimsley, like all biters, cannot overcome their urge to bite Jellies, people, even random objects are all subject to little chomps by Grimsley. Look at Grimsley. Do you guys think Grimsley is cute or scary? I think he's pretty cute. That's just my opinion, though. Blah, 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 growing. More rock tato. I got those rock candy seeds, which is gonna be good. Okay. Give me money. And then let's break this. Thank you for that. I'm gonna just sit here and click on this for a little bit. I'm not gonna play through this whole biome. I'm just gonna play a couple more minutes, and then I'm gonna get off the stream because I've been streaming for trace hours. 3 whole hours, and I'm on like a streaming streak. I might need to take a break. Oh shoot. It's a slab beetle. And a chickadee. Thank you for that, guys. I might need to take a little break from the streams so that I don't like burn myself out. But who knows? I might just be so excited to work on Jelly World again that another stream appears. Who knows? So close. Give me money. Please. No, give me more. One more coin. That works. Yay! And now, a lost pickaxe. And we have a new item in the shop. Yay! If you thought this looked cool, there's a link in the description to the Jelly Fields. Go download the demo now. And stuff. You know what I mean? Okay. So, I think I'm gonna call it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you to those who stayed for the entire 3 hours. You're crazy. Thank you to those that stayed for an entire 5 minutes. You're crazy. Bye. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. I hope you guys are enjoying the progress on Jelly World. I hope you can play the game whenever it's playable and you have a good time. And you have a fun, good